Guys, adding motion blur to time lapses in 2 clicks. Let's do it. So start by making a sequence at the desired frame rate. I use 25 frames per second for all my videos. Then drag your footage into the timeline and speed it up to get that fast forward time lapse effect. As you can see, there is no motion blur on the clip just yet. So all we need to do is right click and choose time interpolation, frame blending, and you'll see a snapshot of the effect straight away. And here's a close-up of the effect being applied and how much of a difference it makes. But to preview this properly, you'll have to render out the effect by pressing enter. So guys, that's literally how easy it is to add motion blur to your time lapses in just 2 clicks. If you like this, let me know below. And as always, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.